Hi, it's Oshana from Micton Home Renovations here, and today we're with
Lesley Little
and Murray Little,
and we're just going over the deck project and how your experience was with the team. So to start things off, how did you find Micton Home Renovations?
I was searching online, and I believe I was on Facebook Marketplace, and you've had a commercial or an ad. After that, I also went on a website to look over some more of your pictures and more of your work, and contacted you.
And how is the whole experience getting the permit done and getting the pool put in place? How was that all?
It was quick. It was efficient. There was lots of communication. It wasn't a problem at all. Within a few days, we probably had our first conversation. A few days after that, you took our vision, gave us a 3D model. After that, we worked out the scope of the project. We knew what we wanted, and we just had to explain it to you.
What was kind of your favorite moments of the project?
excited to see just the frame start, because we already had a pool installed, and just see the deck start to come to fruition. And then when it was done, I was more than happy with the product that we got.
My favorite part was the first 3D model that you showed of my home and my current deck and the new deck and the pool. You incorporated everything. That was actually right at the very beginning.
Yes, actually, yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
that was my favorite moment. Yeah, and the final product, don't get me wrong. Even up until now, with today looking at it and talking about it, everything.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And with anyone else looking to have a project, would you recommend us and the team?
Absolutely. From step one right to the very last step, the communication, the understanding, the handling of every situation that's going to come up, it's handled. Your management of the project made us
Comfortable. We had no worries.
Thank you.
We knew it was going to get done and done properly.
Thank you.
The craftsmanship that you guys bring, it really is top notch
Thank you.
compared to some of the things that I've seen. Like, the workmanship is second to none.
Thank you so much.
We're very happy with Micton.
Thank you. I'm glad everything got put together and you can enjoy the pool now.
Yes,
It's perfect.
we can.
If you're looking to have any projects done, we do decks, fences, interlocking stone. Just give our team a call and we can make sure to take a look at it.